Welcome. I'm Claudio D'Ippolito, and I'm here to present Hoki Canvas and Inovemus 360 journey, a journey from ideation to validation of the business model. Inovemus 360 is approved by ABMEM, the Brazilian Association of Business Mentors, and is part of its certification program. In the last 30 years, I have been helping and teaching entrepreneurs to develop new business models. And in the past 5 years, I'm focusing on purpose-driven business models. So I created Hoki Canvas to help people live what they love. Hoki Canvas is a tool for designing purpose-driven business models. Hoki Canvas is especially useful for people creating zebra companies. The zebra is a striped animal, black and white. And in the same way, a zebra company is profitable while improving the world. With Hoki Canvas, we can have in the same page our purpose and our business project. The main benefit of Hoki Canvas is making our purpose present during all the business model designing process. Hope means house of purpose expression, and it's a way to design something to make the world a better place for everyone. So we can start with purpose and create a business that can make it happen. Hoki Canvas and Inovemus help us solving the innovation puzzle. The idea is combining different tools and methods in an integrated process based on lean startup and design thinking. We start looking out the window and asking, what does the world need? What is possible to do? Then we ask, who in the world needs? And we will create empathy, asking how do people live their worlds, their subjective internal worlds, but also how they live in their environment, in their world. Then we want to change the game, make something different, ask what is missing and no one offers to these people. The next step is to generate genuine value. The question is, what is good to use and also good for the world? And then our purpose is present again. Then we model it in 360 degrees, having an overview, looking inside, outside, and forward. We look inside ourselves, inside our team. We look at our strengths and weaknesses, our values, our purpose. Then we look outside. We look again out the window to see the opportunities created by the problems pointed by the 17 SDGs, for example. And we can look for the new technologies that make some new ways of doing things possible. And then we can look forward and ask, how will the world be when our business is operating in it? And then we want to learn. We ask, what do we think but doesn't happen? What do we think but the customer, the people don't want? And we want to fail soon to learn fast. Then we start it again. In each time, we will look out the window, create empathy, change the game, differentiating, generate value good for users and for the world, model looking inside, outside, and forward, and learn more and go on. This is the Hoki Canvas, a one-page tool to express our purpose in a new business model. We start asking what the world needs and what do we love, what can we do? Then we create our purpose, a broad or ambitious goal. From this, we can derive one or more projects that are focused, attainable targets. And then we will define our business model. We start asking who are the beneficiaries, the customers, what are their needs and expected gains. Then what value proposition we can offer, how can we relate with them, how can we deliver the value, what are shared gains that benefit the society, the customer, the company, and many other stakeholders. Then we ask what are the activities and resources that we can use to generate the value proposition, and what are the costs, and what if we can share these costs with other stakeholders and partners. We can look at the opportunities and challenges to cooperate with these people to create the value proposition. But how Inovemus journey happens in practice? We start asking what the world needs, looking at the sustainable development goals. Then we ask our inner child, what do we love? Then we look the different aspects of a business that can create this value and deliver to the customer. To better understand the needs and expectations of our customers and beneficiaries, we can use the customer persona and empathy maps. Then we can compare different ways to deliver value to these personas using the value map of Blue Ocean strategy. After that, we can explore better the opportunities and challenges that new technologies can help us to create. And also we can ask what are the investment perspectives and investments possibilities that we can have. Now we are prepared to design our value proposition canvas, as we know what are the customers' pains, gains, and what they want to do. And finally, we can create our value design map. Here we list every relevant value component that creates value to the customer, addressing their needs, desires, and also creating new opportunities for them. We can see Inovemus' journey as a hero journey, as stated in famous Joseph Campbell's book. Entrepreneur is our hero, and the journey is the creation of something the world needs. Thank you very much. Let's start now.